What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and edit text using Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up an existing design on Canva. To add text, you can click on the Text tab in the side menu and choose a text style that you would like, or you can add a basic text box. Drag the text box to reposition it and resize it using the corner handles. You can click inside the text box to type your content. You can use the top toolbar to make simple adjustments like font size, font, color, italics, alignment, and so much more. And that's how you can add and edit text using Canva.